Alright, good news, everybody, for Crystal Locs Hair Studio. I have finally received my tools. Let me grab. And here they are. These are crochet hooks, and they are used to fix, repair, and also reattach dreads. Find something. My clients asked, and I have delivered. Now, they got different sizes, and 3 for each size. This is the 0.75 mm, and then the other set is the 0.5 mm. So you got the 7.5 and the 5. And then each one comes with a different set. You have the one that has the 3 prongs, the 2 prongs, and 1. This one I used to repair my dread yesterday, last night when my packages came in. And this one right here, which I have to do a little bit more work on, because like I stopped cutting this part here to add to these. You just kind of, I can't like show y'all because I'm doing it on myself. So when I do a few of my clients, I'll show y'all. So you just roll it between your fingers, grab the hair, continue to roll, stabbing the hair in and out and crocheting it where it's supposed to be. And it tightens that area. This one was extremely thin, just like the one I'm about to show y'all. So I'm rolling that in. And as you can see, these are very small hooks. So they get up in it real good. And I even tried on Carlos dreads, because I interlock his, and like some of his hairs still end up fraying out. And this right here will get those frayed hairs and bring them to the insides. Just keep twisting, stabbing, pulling, putting it in. Good. See how I put them extra hairs into it? So let's go over here and grab this other one, because these are like I said in the other video, the ones that should have gotten cut off when I went to the Mohawk style. A lot of them I just bind to each other and made fingers, because like with my first set of dreads, I don't know why I love fingers, but I do, and I only let like this little tiny much of mine to lock together, so when I have a ponytail in, it looks like full dreads. So try to comb off the area where the base will be strong. There's Peter Parker barking like always. I'm trying to see where it's supposed to be, because I'm still supposed to have a little bit of peach fuzz right here. And I'm twisting it. See, I'm leaving it down for my bush area. Twisting it, getting all the noodles, making the base strong. Now I'm going to double this one back. Twist. Double it back. Twist it in. Peter Parker! He's so disrespectful. Make sure that the hooks are facing upward and not down, because it's a little bit easier for you to feel what you're doing. by doing that. I'm trying to do this without looking so y'all can see. I'm just going by feel. Eventually, I want to reattach a full head. But right now, we're taking baby steps and just fixing damaged ones, reattaching a few. And be careful with these hooks because they will snag your skin if you're just doing it and not like thinking or paying attention to what you are doing. Just bringing all that to the inside and tangling it up like some wires that just magically tangled up behind your TV. And that's how it attaches and don't come back apart. Making sure I twist and turn, twist and turn. Now this will make this dread a little bit shorter, but that's fine. As long as it got a strong base, don't have no popping points anymore, then that's when it'll be alright. Now what you can do if you got a weak part but you don't have no sprayed out new growth like I do, you can get some weave that match your hair, like some 2-strand twist weave or some afro weave, and you can put that in that spot and do this and it'll tighten it up. Just trying to make sure that weak spot disappears. And see? Swada! I did it. But see, I got this lump right here. I'm gonna work on this a little bit. And this video is already like at 7 minutes. And I've tightened up the other one and I'm almost done with this one. So it's a good time span. I would definitely be showing me getting all Carlos's phrase in and doing it like that. Try to see if I got any. Oh, look at that one. See how thin that was? This one definitely was supposed to get cut. See how it's down here in my bush area? So I'm going to try to grab what I need. Get my comb. Find it a good base. Double it back. Twist it. And put it in there. I'm going to double this one back again. Make sure that spot ain't going to be bad. And see how that's looking already? I'm gonna double it back. See how short it's gonna end up being? But it's fine for it to be that short. tugging it to see and make sure that weak spot not gonna present itself again. Hopefully I'm in frame of what y'all can see. So we on almost 11 minutes now. And see, it's in there. A little bit more. And then I can also, like, after I get my hair retwisted, I can fix it some more to make sure it's all the way matted in there. Alright. I'm gonna go on my edges and make sure everything's strong. And like my dreads, as long as they strong, I'd be okay. So I definitely ain't got nothing like in the middle part that's like weakening out. But with the way I got my hair cut, I like for like a little bit of fuzz to be able to, because I brush my hair up and do stuff to it. I don't take care of my dreads like I do my clients. Over that. Make sure my needle is facing up. Twist it in so they have that spiral to it. Trying to get any loose hairs that's like close to the root, so it'll know, hey, I want y'all over here. I want y'all to help this one, support it. Kind of like trees do. You know they can talk to each other, tell each other they need support and seeds and stuff. So it's kind of like doing that, telling me, hey, get up in here. I want you to help this dread. I really wish they had this same tool when I had my first set, because my boys took so much of my nutrients away that I couldn't even save them no more. It might sound like I'm popping it, but I'm not. I'm definitely just pulling past those tough spots. It's kind of like interlocking without having to do it that way. So I'm pretty sure I can start dreads this way as well, where it's like a whole interlocking method. That base is back strong. You see how it's the same thickness as the rest of the dread. I'm gonna leave my little fork because, like I said, I like it. I love them. But if I really wanted to, I could cut one of these off to start another dread on my fade in part. Well, it ain't faded right now, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I really wish I would have found this method out years ago. Years. You can see that pull now. Just a little. So I'm gonna double it back. Just a little bit. And just work on that weak spot a little bit longer. Okay. Give it that tug. Make sure it's right. And I'm checking to see if I got any more. This one right here, seems like it might need a little bit of attention. I'm ambidextrous, but I twist like a lefty. So a lot of y'all might have to do this a little opposite with your twisting. But as long as you twisting and turning, twisting and turning, twisting, turning, and interlocking it, mangling it all together, seems like it'll be okay. La ciencia. And as you can see me moving the tool, I'm going up, I'm going down, in, out, sideways, backwards, making sure that the loose hairs make strength in those weak spots. And the one that I'm using is the 0.5. The 7 is a little bit bigger, so I use that on Carlos's hair and then move down to the 5. And I'll be making a video of that soon. I could do it tonight. Let's see, now that's good and in there now. Let me see, well, yeah, this right here. Yeah, not too thick right here. It's just right. But yeah. Now I can show y'all also how you can use this same method to basically twist the hair, but I like the spiral motion. My hair grows, I have wavy hair. I don't know none of them numbers and stuff. I've been doing hair for like 20 plus years. I do not bother myself with, oh, I got some C4, C3, 2020 hair. No, let me just say, my hair is kinky. It grows like yaki weave. My hair literally grows like a pack of weave that you would buy to braid somebody's hair with. That's the way it grows out my skull. As you can see, a little wave. Oh Lord, I got a new braid. Oh, there's some more up in here. Look at my churn coming through. Oh my goodness, look at that. But anyway, this a finger too. Like this one. You would twist, right? I'm twisting in all that hair, making sure my needle is pointing up. Going in, out. Turning, in, and out. And see, one of the problems was I tried to do this with Carlos' hair when I tighten up his loose hairs with just a singular one. And now that they got this 2 and 3 one, it just, oh my God, it makes it so much better. I was about to sit there and do my whole head last night, but I was like, oh no, I gotta record. Now see, and that's not twisted, it's just interlocked with the stuff. See, now if I twist it, now it's like that. So if you know somebody that stays in the Jacksonville area, you one of my clients, whatever you may be, friend, acquaintance, Facebook follower, friend, Instagram follower, and you know somebody need their dreads reattached, send them my way. We doing it around her. Okay. And then I could twist it and, oh, I should retwist my hair. That look kind of nice. I ain't got the patience. Twist my hair. I think this one I got the most on it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it ain't that big. It's right on the edge, too. I don't know, that's enough thread. But like about doing my own hair. I can't get my lines crisp like I do my clients. I do everybody hair as you can see. You don't want to put too much in one spot because that'll make it way down and then it end up way down. Like way, not way down, weight down. Like, anyways, y'all know I got speech impediment. But it'll make it where you end up in the same situation to where something is going to pop because it's not balanced. That's why you see me spiraling it and making sure that it ends up coming out the same width all the way around. So it won't be no weak points. I don't know if y'all can see that. thick right here. So I'm gonna go in and fix that part. Now what I can do, because these are a lot longer, is I can cut one of these out. See how that is? Now if I want it, I could cut one of these off and put it right here, but that's my line. I want that. We're gonna leave that there, like that right there. But I got all this new growth. That's a whole dread. And I'm about to cut my dreads off. That's what I do. I comb this and don't let this part lock. And I stop twisting. And then when it get to a length that I like, well, I know I could braid my hair and put it like under wigs and make, you know, quick do's and stuff with and things like that and crochet it, then I cut it. But see, that's in braiding length right there. So I cut my dreads off and then boom. I'd be able to go back to regular style. But it has been times, well, last time I cut my dreads off, I left some of the length on, but I cut it into a shortcut. It was like past my ears. I'm getting fancy now. Making me want to do my hair. Trying to do enough on the way y'all can actually like see what I'm doing. See, I'm going in, pulling, going in. And see, I'm twisting this way. And the way that I twist my hair, if you right-handed, you gonna obviously twist clockwise. Cause y'all looking at me opposite. It might look like I'm doing it the correct way, but I'm not. This is my left hand. See, I'm grabbing this hair, putting it in. Grabbing it, putting it in. Grabbing it, putting it in. And I was also thinking about like finding some spots in the back because I got like a little ledge I let grow in the back. I want to get some of my old dreads and probably one of each of my kids' dreads, my oldest sons, and add that to the part that I saved right here. Because I put it more like in an arch. So I let this start going. This used to be cut and faded too. Can y'all see? This used to be cut and faded. And I let it grow out. See, that's why this got a strong base. Because I let this grow out. And I want to attach one of my old dreads from my first set and one of my kids' on. But I have to find them. I don't know what I did with this stuff. I think they still in my safe. But yeah, you see how it came out? It came out real decent. Now all I really gotta do is just twist my hair and go on about my business. But thank you all for but thank you all for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you stay happy, stay in love with whomever, whatever it may be. And remember to make memories. Bye, everybody. But also, because I always forget stuff, like I said, if you know somebody that needs me, go on and send them, send them my way. Hit them up in my DMs, okay? I will definitely answer. Okay.